Alright, in this video, we are going to install the ALDI smart lock. See if that's easy to install and it's working functional properly. Now, we do an unbox first, see what's inside this. Alright, so inside the box, we have 4 AA battery, 2 physical keys, and 2 key pads. Alright, so I guess that's the outside of the lock. So you see that's the camera is here, apart from the inside, and that's the panel. And it has 3 different sizes for different thickness for the door. So you got from 35mm up to 60mm, and that lock just looked like a standard lock for me. So if your door already have a lock, you probably just replace them. And that's the manufacturer menu, and they have a template. Alright, and before we start to install it, let me read through this user manual. Alright, so now we get to start. Now before we install the smart lock, there's an issue is this door has double lock. The distance between 2 locks was pretty close to each other. So if I put it right here, there's no enough room for the panel. I have no choice, I put it on the top. And once I put it on the top, there'll be 2 handles on the door. It look kind of weird, and we need both hands to open the door. So I'm gonna take this one out as well to replace with the lock on top. All the tools we need is a Phillips screwdriver. And first we need to take out the lock. It's very simple. You just unscrew these screwdrivers from the inside and the 2 on the side. And once you remove those screwdrivers, the lock will just pop it out. It's very simple. And then I choose the correct size for the screw back. I put the latch into the slot. But the first spring that doesn't go in. So I open the other package and take out the other spring. Lucky they have extra spring for. And put the springer into the front panel. And then I install the stand off. The front panel should come with a rubber seal already installed. Make sure the lock is level and in the correct location. Then bring the 2 cables through the hole and align the springer to the latch. Install the mounting plate. Make sure the rubber seal side is facing the door frame. Ensure that the springer passes through the rubber hole in the latch and the cable through the circle cutout. Secure the mounting plate to the front panel by using the 3 provided screws. And make sure those screws are the right size. Tightening the screws. Check that the front panel is aligned correctly. Push the front panel in until it's flush against the door. Remove the battery cover from the back panel. Then Connect both wires from the front panel to the connector. Press firmly to ensure that cable is properly connected. Push the access cable to the door circle hole and push align the back panel with the mounting plate. Test the handle of the front panel by pulling it down to retract the latch. When everything is ready and in that position, screw the two back panel facing screws. And finally, install the 4 AA batteries and replace the battery cover. And now, we are ready to test the lock. So I have just tested the lock with my fingerprint, with the password and the access card and also the physical key. It's pretty good, but one thing is the camera is pretty crap. Sometimes it works and sometimes it's not working. If someone ring the bell, I don't receive notifications and the delay time is very long. You only can link the apps with one phone at each time. So if you have multi-member in this house, there's only one person can use the app to link with the lock. But there's one function is pretty cool. The apps can generate a password that can use for one time, or you can set a time for the password. For example, the password is gonna work for Monday, and then the password will expire on Wednesday. This function is really good for somebody running an Airbnb business. So at the end, I will still keep it, because for the same lock with the same function, it's easily cost over $300 in Bunnings warehouse. And with the cameras, it's easily cost like $500 in Bunnings. So overall, if 5-star is the maximum, I will give it a 3-star. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you next time.